The Filipino antonyms matalino, which means smart in English, and hangal or foolish in English. Matalino, hangal. Matalino, hangal. Ang matalinong bata ay mabilis umunawa. The bright child understands quickly. When we say matalino, that means bright or intelligent. Bata is a child, mabilis is fast or quick, and unawa means to understand. Ang matalinong bata ay mabilis umunawa. Hangal ang tawag sa mga taong nagtapon ng pagkain. Those who wasted food are called senseless. Hangal are foolish. Tawag means call. And then nagtapon. Tapon is the root word, means throw or waste. And then pagkain is food. So hangal ang tawag sa mga nagtapon ng pagkain. Matalino siyang magplano ng kanyang kinabukasan. He or she is shrewd in planning his or her future. Siya is gender neutral, he or she, and kanya is his or her. It's also gender neutral. When we say matalino, once again, it means intelligent or smart. Magplano, plano is the root word. It means to plan. Kanya is his or her. And then kinabukasan is future. Matalino siyang magplano ng kanyang kinabukasan. Ang hangal na desisyon ay nagdulot ng gulo. The foolish decision caused trouble. So hangal means foolish and decision is decision. Nagdulot, dulot is like the cause, and then the gulo, which means trouble. Ang hangal na desisyon ay nagdulot ng gulo. And that is all for our Filipino antonyms matalino, which is smart in English, and hangal or foolish in English. Matalino, hangal. Matalino, hangal.